Okay, it's time to contour. Contour offers the illusion of shape and definition. We're going to be using the NAS Cosmetics defining brush, and with all of our powder products, we're going to be working from our lid. You'll see here, I've placed just a tiny bit of the contour powder in here. We don't need much. Make sure that you pick up the product in the bristles of your brush. I'm going to run a line along my jaw here, just so that I can cover up any sort of sagginess or jowls, that sort of thing, to give that illusion that I've got a nice tight jawline. You see I'm not going under, I'm not going on top, I'm sort of going through. From there I'm going to blend it down, so you don't look like you've got just a dark line. I'm also going to do in my cheek hollows here, round about the centerpiece of your ear here, and I'm going to run a line by the side. You can actually feel, you can even put the brush here and you can feel where that cheekbone finishes, and we're going underneath. I'm going to add a little bit more powder to my brush. You can see the lifting of my cheekbones now. I'm also going to add some product along the top here to make my forehead look like it's smaller. And I'm even going to add just a tiny bit on the tip of my nose here, so it doesn't look like it's so turned up. That's our contour done, and now I'm going to add some blush.